We have taken the topic haploids for the discussion, and today we will discuss the methods of the haploid production. So there are 8 methods. There are, you know, that haploids. What are haploids? You can you are well acquainted with the term haploid, and you also know the anther and pollen culture and their role in the haploid production, which I had discussed which I have already taught you the haploids, their feature and production through the anther and pollen culture, and why pollen culture is more important than the anther culture. If you use the anther culture for production of haploid, you know that anther has both the haploid and diploid cell. So you may not get the true haploid, but if you use the pollen grains, which are always haploid, you will be sure in getting the haploid if you use the pollen culture to obtain haploid. So this is the most important method of the production of haploid, which is anther or pollen culture. But in addition to these two methods, there are other methods which are also used for the production of haploid, and haploids may also originate naturally. So let us see these methods. At first, let us count let us say enlist these methods of the haploid production. The first method is the parthenogenetic origin of haploid. Parthenogenetic method of haploid, which include the androgenic method and gynogenic origin of haploid. The second method is the uh, uh, second method is the semigamy. Semi means half. Take a second method is semigamy. The third method is the pollen or anther culture. The fourth method is the intraspecific or intraspecific crossage and or wide hybridization. The fifth stage is the uh, twin embryo, twin embryos, and the sixth one is the chromosomal elimination. The seventh the aligned cytoplasm. So there are 8 methods. There are 8 methods for the production or origin of haploid. Let us discuss one by one these methods. The first method I would like to discuss with you. The first method, parthenogenetic origin of the haploid. You know, I think that you might be knowing the term parthenogenesis. Have you heard the name parthenogenesis? Anyone, Mahfouz, Hers, or and do you know the term parthenogenesis? Anyone?
Fertilization.
Genesis?
Hello. Fertilization without seeds, sir.
Yeah, the production of seed without fertilization. The production of seed without fertilizer. The male gamete does not fuse with the egg, and the ovule and the seed production and the fruit development take place. And the best example, you know, you can cite the best genetic grape. In seed layer, and the development of seed takes place with the is very and is also a very important role in the production of haploid. And this parthenogenic origin of haploids are of two types: androgenic haploid and gynogenic haploid. In case of gynogenic haploid, the egg develops the egg gives rise to the production of the haploid plants. And in case of this is called gynogenic haploid, when the egg without fertilization gives rise to the production of haploid, this is called gynogenic or gynogenic. Whereas in case of androgenic haploid, the pollen grain or the male gamete develops into the haploid, and that haploid is known as androgenic haploid. In this, the parthenogenic origin of haploid may take place, which are of two types: gynogenic and androgenic. And these two types have been reported in case of maize plant. These two cases have been reported in maize. Both the gyno haploids reported. The second method is the semigamy. The second method is semigamy, as the name get half. Semi means half. What happens if the male and female gamete, the male gamete enter the embryo sac, male, the plant the gamete in the embryo sac, but the male gamete does not fertilize the egg. And both the male and female gametes simultaneously undergo mitosis division and leads to the development of the character of both the male paternal character and maternal character. And the plants obtained will not be diploid, rather they will be haploid because the male and female gamete do not fuse together. And the male and the female gamete undergo simultaneously division and this is the production of haploid, and this is the same. So this is the semi-gamete, same is half, and both the male and female gamete do not fuse together. They undergo cell division. The same haploid cells produce the male and female gamete. The plants of and they have the character of both the male and paternal and maternal character. Known as semi-gametic haploid, or this method of origin is known as semi-gamete. The third method is the origin of production of haploid is the pollen or anther culture. We have already studied. It was the for the first time in 1964 used the method of anther culture to produce haploid in the Oxia. Inoxia is the plant of belonging to the family Solanacea, which was first used by the in the haploid plant. Let's see the fourth method. The fourth method, you know, I have discussed the fourth method. Intra-specific hybridization, inter-specific or wide hybridization. In this case, you the hybrid or the just say it happens that the way development the polyembryonic
सर आवाज कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रही
polyembryonic development of more than one embryo is polyembryonic, which are reported in most of the plants. Polyembryonic development of more than one embryo. Generally, that one male gamete fuses to produce a single embryo. But in some cases, more than one embryo are also produced in the same